left foot and passed it to Diaz, who was wide open about 12 yards away. The goalie came out, maybe intimidated him a little bit, and he totally, wouldn't happen.
Valentino wins the header. Mosey gets it and finds Yamada. Mosey will keep it there, and now wide is Tatters. Tatters is going to look forward, and Million's going to run on. He's got a little space, but Tatters is going to find, and he'll have space. He's got room. He's bringing it about 30 yards away. Tatters has dribbled up for about 30, 40 yards, but he sees nothing, and he gets it back to Mosey, and then finds Yamada. To the feet of Million, middle of the field, 30 yards out. He's got no one. He's got to Niazamba. Niazamba lets it get behind him, but still does control possession. Niazamba looks forward. That was a Million, and can't do it there. Niazamba, though, is able to collect that. Now he's tried to force it a little bit too much into the middle. Niazamba has it again. And Tatters. Tatters wide, just in front of us here. He'll look long, and this one's not going to go to anyone but Cody Larendi. Aaron King will run in. Larendi's had a little trouble in a couple of tops coming off his line. Obviously, Million was able to beat him once, and he tried to come out the far ball, but he likes putting this high punt. This one's probably going to threaten the 18-yard box, although he'll put it down on the ground, but still the same thing, top of the 18. Tatters wins this one, heads it away. But it does come back to Puerto Rico. This is Delgado. Delgado's got two guys on him, and Tatters is going to watch this roll over. He'll save it, play it out for a throw-in. Would have been a corner kick, but he does a good job of keeping it in just in front of the line.
Oh, you got the big boy throwing it in again. Big number 4. Their center half.
Here is Velez. Last time did very well finding the head. I believe it was Bodney. Got on the back end of that.
Second ball, Mike. They're looking for flicking it. They want to flick it at the near post, back to the far post. Similar to kind of what Holland did against Brazil.
This one's just free in the box. Mosey flips it out with that foot, that right-footed flick. Now Aaron King, he's got JJ running wide. JJ is into about 30 yards out. He's going to try and find King. Can't connect on that path. Rowdy's had a counterattack, 3v2, and they've lost it. Now comes back Puerto Rico. Foley is taken off the ball by Yamada tackle, but they'll call a foul. And it's going to be on Foley, who comes down, cleats up onto Kuya Yamada. Yamada came in, and as Foley was going down, he must have taken that foot and put it in a threatening position.
Well, let's talk about the break, Mike. He broke out great. Aaron King kept it about 35 yards out from Puerto Rico's goal. He played it into JJ, and basically, he didn't do anything with it. I mean, he ended up losing the ball and back again. Back it came, but that was a brilliant break on 3-on-2. Just needs to take better care of the ball.
Quickly got it out. It didn't happen. The yellow card goes to Foley. Foley came in. Valentin went for the tackle, and Foley had pushed it around. It didn't go down, but he pushed it too far in front of him. And when Yamada came in with the tackle, Foley was coming down, and obviously a violent action has earned him a yellow card. Takuya Yamada still down on the ground as we play 21 and a half minutes. We're now 22 minutes here into the first half. We are still scoreless. Yamada now up on his feet. He's going to have to exit the field for just a moment. He did have a trainer's assistance, so he'll go over to the fourth official after the free kick. I would imagine he'd be waved back on. But he does seem to be up and moving okay, Winston.
Hey, looks okay to me. Arms and legs are waving around. Okay, that's a good thing. Let's go. Put the magic sponge on him. He's ready to go. Let's go. Come on.
Bit of spray. He's asking, Paul Dalglish is asking him where he got kicked. They're asking for him to be back on. The official has not waved him back on yet. Ball is played long up as Million holds it on his right foot. He's on the far side of the field. Looks like when the ball goes out, he puts it between the legs of Martinez. He comes up on the end of it. He still has it. He's got Tatters to help. Tatters will look for the back post. JJ is kind of pushed, but he does come down, and it traps it, but right for the feet of the Puerto Rican player. As Yamada is waved back on, he's on the end of that. Diaz will head it back up, and it comes back to Yamada. Yamada looks, and Valentin will just kick it in hard into Foley. Aaron King looks for the backside. Rowdy's can't connect on the back post as Million was holding the run back.
Whose backside was he looking for?
Looking for the back
oh,
of the
okay,
field there, Winston.
Okay, I thought you said backside. Okay,
I did.
Backside. I didn't know what was it. Okay, fine. Okay, then.
Back post, not quite connected with Million. Free kick, or a goal kick, that is, by Larendi.
Well, I tell you who is lively tonight, Mike. It's Million. He's done it. He's very, very lively on this left-hand side. Being a right-footed player, can come inside and do a little bit of damage. Come inside, try to curl the ball to the far post. He had some good shot not long ago.
Loose balls come to the favor and possession of the Rowdies. Tatters will have it. Niazamba's got some space, and they give it to him. He's got a couple guys coming on him, but he'll find King. King has got it, and he turns. King is now 30 yards away. He looks for Millian, can't connect. Mosey has it. He's looking wide. Now he's got two guys on him, but he'll maintain it with Valentin. Valentin to Yamada. Rowdy's maintaining possession just inside midfield. Yamada's looking for an open guy. He's found Millian. Millian has it taken away from him by Telesford, though. And now Puerto Rico will send it long. This ball will skip off the ground, and it will go out for a goal kick.
You know what happens, Mike, too? The ball kind of, it's like almost hydroplanes. It hits this grass and actually picks up speed.
Steady rain throughout the game. It's been since about a half hour before. Again, we were delayed due to lightning here at Steinbrenner Field. Now we are underway, and we are still scoreless. 25th minute of this first half.
It's just so key to control the midfield, number one. And when you don't have the ball, you got to get very, very tight to the other players to make it difficult for them to play through. And the other is get it wide. And right now, the guy who's in the mood is Millian. So you want to get into his feet, not his head, as much as possible.
Valentin takes the long left-footed shot, goes into the hands of Lorendi, whose punt is collected by Daryl Sattler on the far side. First half action brought to you by Tires Plus. The plus is in everything we do. Sattler puts the ball down. He'll send it long up to Millian. No one connects on it, but Aaron King will challenge and force the Puerto Rican player to play it long as Valentino and Valentin work together. They find Mosey. King flips it wide. He's got one man to beat. He can't beat the sideline, though. It'll be a throw-in for Puerto Rico. Are you a young Rowdies fan who wants to be a part of the team? Well, now you can be. Join the official kids club of the Tampa Bay Rowdies, Hoops Troops. You can register for the club or get more information at fctampabay.com. Long throw is headed away by JJ. The knee of Aaron King comes up, and the head of the Puerto Rican player comes down, and King will be whistled for the foul. It'll be a free kick for Puerto Rico. Just inside the half, they're about 60 yards away from the Tampa net.
It's important when they're knocking these balls into the penalty area, Mike, that Tampa keeps a good, strong line on the edge of their penalty area, not backs into the goalkeeper. Makes it real difficult to come for crosses that way.
This one goes through the top of the 18, and Graham Tatters is the one on the head of that. He'll head it up towards midfield. Millian sees the ball just creep off his foot. It'll be a throw-in for Puerto Rico. Martinez will take it. Looking for a man. He's got him. And it's flipped up and in, and Puerto Rico very dangerous. Cleared away by Valentino. It's Foley running on into that. If Valentino doesn't clear that one away, Foley's inside the 12-yard spot.
Good defending, Mike, too. He got inside the attacker, not let the attacker get to the ball. He got inside him, and got to the ball. That's a good piece of defending.
So Velez will take the long throw. This time it's about 12 yards off the line. Got the hand up, looking for the target. Bondi's been traditionally the target here. And he's not this time. This ball goes over, headed away by Yamada, chased back by Puerto Rico. They're getting it, but Millian comes down, heads it to the ground. He's being grabbed with he and Velez between the both of them. The ball's played back in, and it's cleared away by Tatters. And Millian almost saved it, but he's a couple yards out of bounds. Throw in.
Good defending by Tatters. Kind of a tricky ball. He hooked it down the line. Got another long ball coming in, another long throw. Very, very dangerous.
So Velez. Time looks like Adderley. Yamada heads it away. It'll be another throw, this time about 5 yards off the line for Puerto Rico.
I think Tampa's getting a little bit tired of these throw-ins, Mike, because this guy takes the ball, he throws it on a rope for about 35, 40 yards, almost to the middle of the goal. So I can't tell you how dangerous it is. And also, it wears on you mentally because you're just like coming on you all the time.
Well done by Niazamba to head this long throw away, and Niazamba will get the rebound. He's going to send just long for JJ. Ball cleared away by Martinez, but not out. Mosey now tries to find Niazamba. He can't, and it's a counterattack for Puerto Rico. But Foley has to head it back and just maintain possession. He does. That's the feet of Telesford. Telesford will look into the box. Now away by Diaz, and now a dangerous ball. Delgado comes sweeping in there, but